Easy All Crew back once again with another video, and today's video once again is a continuation of the previous part of this series where I am remixing your tunes on the fly from the show and tell show that we have at the weekends. For those of you who want to submit your beats, please send them to thebusybeescience@gmail.com. I'll give you my feedback. Comment down below if you have any questions about any of the techniques I use. Enjoy. Play that from the top. Man's glued. Woo! Buggy version. Yeah. Easy. Alright, next we're going to take this into Cubase. Easy, easy. Where's that easy, easy? Right, let's check the mixer. Right, you see we're clipping up here now, a bit of distortion. Right, I think here, I don't know, you should, nah, I don't like that. Ah, okay, maybe that should just do that. Give it the funk. Yeah. Bigging up the Sanjaya, big up your chest, mate. Nice little collab, big up. One. Easy, easy. down here sounding a bit. Alright, I'm going to leave it like that. When I take it into Cubase, I'm going to tweak it up. Right, so I'm going to go for a little render now, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, guys, so end of track. Let's go for a render. Sanjay remix. Right, so here we go. Right, so just quickly bounce that out. Let me just not bounce it too hot. So what I'm going to do is select all the tracks here now. Bosh. I have to exclude the master. We definitely don't want the master on this selection here. So let's use the shift key and just select everything up to the master like so. Like so. Right, now when I go to the mixer, I should be able to control everything at once. So let's go to a part where it's roasting, and we want to get this out the orange. Right, so boom. Alright, you know what, I'm just going to bring it down. And then I'm going to unselect everything. And put this back to 0 and just leave it in the green. There we go. Put a span on the channel there. Change that to yep, there we go. And then we're just going to make sure our bass is level with our tops there, see it? And your mid-range is kind of fishbony. Little dip there, lovely. Easy, easy. That means your mid is, you know, you're looking at your mids now, so it's not poisonous. Your mids is not mashing up your mix, look, see? It's nice and dippy. Bass is there, your average high is the same height as your bass. It's a little bass heavy. There's a little bit more work to do to this. I heard a couple of those amens that are a bit untidy. But for the most part, I'm going to save that now and I'm going to bounce it out. That's dub plateable right now. Right, guys, that is it for me now. I'm just going to go for a bounce, and I might as well, let me just quickly bounce that, and then I'm going to render everything to separate tracks. All right, man, that's your boy signing out. Big up. Okay, peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more. Big up, man. Take care. God bless. Peace.